Hey folks, this is Basant here, and today's video I am going to give you a really cool alternative of this Zoom. With the help of, you can just not only host the any webinar, but you can also host the all the virtual events like your workshop, your single day event, multi-day event, ongoing series, on demand video library, or even the video course as well. And in this platform, for the every webinar or the event you are going to host, there are so many controlling things or the configuration settings you can add. For example, you can add the registration and checkout, you can add the sponsor settings, adding your CTA buttons, branding, as also the event domain that you can even add as the custom domain. There's the email reminders, SMS reminders, attendance tracking, localization, promo, coupons, all this stuff in this single platform. Where on the Zoom you hit the limit once a certain amount of the attendee attend your webinar, and you have to pay for the every feature. Here on this platform you have to just pay the one-time payment because its lifetime deals available on the app, so most starting from the $89, and you can read also yourself, host all kind of the virtual events to grow your audience and the monetize your income as well. So if I scroll down below, you can see there are so many integrations that I can even not count on my hand here. It has the SMS integrations, the workflow automations, the all this stuff I am going to show you in just matter of few minutes. There's the comparison. This is the quick comparison, the how much you are saving with the HeySummit compared to the Zoom events. If I scroll down below, there are some of the glimpse of the features and the some details you will get on this platform. For the every plan you have to pay the a certain amount. This is the one time payment. For example, in the tier 1 you have to pay the $89, and here you can just get the limit of the 1500 attendees, and the active events is the 3. You can just delete every time a active event, and you can create a new event. So this makes almost the unlimited once you are start creating your webinars or the event. What I suggest, if you have the team of the 10 or 15 people, go with the tier 2 or the tier 3 plan, because here you will get the up to 10,000 attendees limit, 15 team members, 15 active events, and all the features access. So if you want to check it out, this deal link is given in the description. And let me also tell you that even if you are not happy or satisfied with the platform, you can just run it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be the refund. This makes it no risk or your written money back guarantee for you. So this is the platform. Once you got the lifetime deal, this is how this platform looks like. On the dashboard you will see the events that is right now going on. Here you can check out your profile, team members, speaker library, okay, all this stuff. So if you want to create a new event, simply click on the new event and you will able to see all the options it is offer you to creating your event as the webinar, the single day event, the ongoing series, on demand video library, or the video course. For this example or the demo purpose, I am going to create a webinar here. So simply click here on the one of workshop or the single day event, whatever suits you best. Click on the enter, and after that it will ask you to fill up this thing like what will be your webinar or the event name, your company name, logo, category, all this stuff. So once you hit start creating the event and your event is live, it will also create a landing page for you. For example, I have created this marketing 101 webinar, and along with the webinar setup it has also created a landing page for me. So this is the landing page where okay, so let me go to the preview coming soon landing page, and here you will see there's also a countdown timer going on this page. Okay, let me get back, book my place, and I think I have already done that with our email, that's why it is not showing up. So no worries, I can always just go to log out here, and once I able to log out, I will able to see the normal landing page for the webinar here. You can see all this stuff available. Okay, so let me go to the its main landing page. This is the coming soon, and this is the main landing page here. See, so that's how you are going to just get the platform out of your landing page, and the webinars, everything will be in the same uh, place here. Okay, so once you have created your landing page, let me tell you that, okay, back to events. Okay, I think I am logged out of from my account, so I need to log in again. No worries. Okay, so I backed and logged in here, and so once you just live your webinar and go to the manage event, you will able to see all the settings. Like you want to add the registration and the checkout, simply click here on the update, and after that you will see all the options, like you require the email, the your attendee name, and all these things. Simply enable and the things will be live in your webinar. Same things goes on with all these configurations. You want to add a custom domain, you can do that from here. You want to enable the SMS reminders or the emails, you can do it from here. Then if even if you want to sponsor something on the webinar, you can just update it here. This is for the branding, this is for the attendance tracking, all this stuff you are going to get for the control. And if you want to enable the emails, like the welcome email and all this stuff, you can do it from here. Like this, the new talk email, the attendee password reset, WOP, wrap up, all this kind of the emails you are going to see here. This is the content that you can add in your webinar page. You can see right now there is nothing, but if you click here on the add workshop, okay, you will able to do that. This is for the revenue. For example, you want to accept a payment for registering, you can do that. If I go to here and okay, I have to click here on the add ticket, and after that I am able to add like VIP pass, quantity available, the amount I want to charge per attendee, I able to add do that here. Okay, and if you want to see how this looks like, this is the landing page that will be the live everything on this section. You can see, enter your email address. This is going to ask your first email and the email name and the email here. Okay, because I have enabled the first name and the email from this thing. So that's how this looks like. This is the integration page where you can connect the multiple things like the your CRM, autoresponders, your automation section, all this stuff. Okay, then this is the header links, footer links, custom fields, webinar host. If you want to add the different hosts apart from you, you can add it from here. Simply give the name and the email address, it will send out the link to add them. Then this is the payment methods that you can use to accept the payments from your attendees, and there's also the API, MCP, and the webhooks that you will find out here. Once your event is live or the webinar is live, you can start promoting it using from this section. Okay, you see, so everything you need to configure here, like this is the swipe, copy, media access, testimonial, everything. So one single platform is offering everything on this tool here, that is the HeySummit. And in this video I have just given you the features overview. If you check it out this deal, and if you have any queries, just let me know in the comments. I have also given the link of the deal or the description. Bye bye, take care, I will see you in the next one.